See the place where you put the spark plug in? It's stripped on the inside, and I don't know what to do. So if you guys could leave a comment and tell me what I should do. Let's see. It won't go in at all. It's stripped. It won't hold. Just tell me what I need to do. Bye.